If you want to enable or disable flashlight in camera on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, all you have to do is you need to open the camera app, and then over here, let's say in the photo mode in the upper left corner, you should be able to find this lighting icon. So we can tap over here in order to choose, for example, automatic. So when you use the shutter button and you try to take a photo, then the camera will decide if the flashlight is necessary to take a better picture. So it can be enabled like that, but also besides that we can just make it on, so that you always use the flashlight when you capture a photo, and you can also set it to always on, so even before you take the photo, the flashlight is activated just like that. And of course, if you want to, you can turn it off by using the first option that is over there. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.